Let's learn about the currency attribute. It's actually 4 different columns in the table. And let me show you how it works. If I create a new table which doesn't have any currency, let's create a new table. I will call it hours. Now I have this table hours, and let's see the columns. We have here something like 19 out-of-the-box columns, like created by, created on, modified by, modified on, primary name. We have here a lot of columns that are created automatically. Now let's add a new column, and the type will be money. New column. Let's call it price, and the type of the column is currency, and save. Let's see what happens here in the columns. Let's see which are our new fields. We have here price, price base, we have exchange rate and currency. All these columns were created now. We need to understand each one of them. Price is a number that we type in the form, like 100, 200, 300. Currency is the currency that we choose. It can be US dollars, it can be euro, it can be Great British pound, it can be yen, whatever you use. Soon I will show you where you set the currencies in the CRM. Exchange rate is the exchange rate between the currencies that we chose and the base currency. Every CRM has a base currency. If we want to merge the amount of all opportunity, we do it according to the base currency. Usually it's euro or US dollars, but if you work locally, like in Israel, we have new Israeli shekel, so this will be the base currency. When I go in CRM to advanced settings, we have in business management currencies. Here we can add more currencies, like for example I will add US dollar, and here I will type the exchange rate. For example, it will be according to our base camp, new Israeli shekel. Let's put it this number. Are the exchange rate updated automatically? The answer is no. Now we need to create a Power Automate flow daily that will run and get the updated exchange rate from the many services that provide us the exchange rate. Let's create here a new hour, first hour for example, and I'll type here a price like 100. The currency, I'll select it euro. Let's add the new columns to the form: price, price base, exchange rate and currency. Let's save and publish. And let's see now how it looks in CRM. I will create quickly a new app with this table, model-driven app. Let's call it price. Let's add the table, and now let's see how it looks. I create a new hour. Price will be 100, and currency, this is the default currency, Israeli new shekel, and I'll save it. You see the price base is 100 and exchange rate is 1 because it's Israeli shekel, and the base currency is also Israeli shekel. Let's see, if I'll change the currency to euro, I see that the price base is changed to 500 NIS, and exchange rate was updated. So we have 4 columns for currency. We can change only 2 of them, the currency and the amount, and the base currency and the exchange rate are created automatically from the exchange rate tables that we saw in the currencies. I hope now it is clear for you how to work with currencies in Dynamics 365, which supports multi-currencies.